Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to take apart a Xbox controller. You could do this for various reasons. To clean it, because my button B doesn't it doesn't work right, so I'm taking it apart to clean it. Well, what you're first gonna do is first you're gonna take out the battery pack, and you're gonna unscrew these 8 screws, 1, 2, 3. And if you have a sticker right here, you have to like punch a hole in it so you could get the screw that's behind it. I didn't use the torq 8 wrench, the special screwdriver for these screws. I just used a regular small flathead. It fit the screws perfectly, so I used it. So what you're first gonna do is you're gonna hold the triggers in. Once you unscrew all 8 screws, you're gonna hold the triggers in, and you're gonna slowly take it apart. So you can see there's the padding. Then you're gonna take these vibrating things off. Here's, and carefully lift up the main circuit. And there's the joysticks. And here's these little plastic things. Just take them off, and you'll see the buttons. What I'll just take off each little buttons one by one. See, here it is, and just use a Q-tip, a regular Q-tip, and just swipe around it. Apparently mine's had syrup around the button. I don't know how it got there, but it just did. And that's it.